relevant to the criminal appeals reform, another significant reform in Victoria in the last little while has been juries reform. Now, again, civil lawyers might think, well, why does that matter to me? It does matter in this way, that if we are able to manage criminal trials and criminal appeals more effectively, there will be more time for civil litigation. We embarked upon a special project through Justice Weinberg, and what it really comes down to, if I can put it, is this way, which will resonate through, have implications resonating through the profession. At the end of the evidence of the criminal trial, before the judge charges the jury, under the amendments to Victorian legislation, which come into operation on the 1st of July, the judge will look to the prosecuting counsel, the judge will look to the defence counsel. The judge will ask, and counsel will be bound to inform the judge on the matters that the judge should charge the jury. No more folding of arms, and it's Your Honour will tell the jury and leave it to his or her honour, and leave the judge to make mistakes, pick up points and run appeals. Those days are gone. This is a truly dramatic reform here in Victoria.